Oh yeah, there we go. That's a fish too. Water's looking pretty good this morning. Got some color to it. I'll start off fishing some streamers. First fish on today. Let's see what we got. It's like a that's a creek chub, I believe. It's a big one too. Wow. Wow. It's got that orange on its fin here. Cool fish. Yeah. That was a rock. Rock trout. That was a trout as well. I think I pulled it right out of his mouth. The bottom of this pool seems to be the spot. It's a slow strip. Well, I didn't get that catch on camera, but decent 9 or 10 inch rainbow. He's seen a thing or two though. Got some battle scars. Let's see the good side. It's not a bad fish. There you go, buddy. It's on the white woolly bugger. Oh, there we go. Little guy. And he spit the hook. Nice job, buddy. See ya. Gotta love when you catch a fish on accident. I was just getting ready to do another cast. He took it. Ooh. Just had a trout come up and try to take my indicator. That's the first topwater I've seen all day. Maybe I need to switch to a dry dropper. He did it again. All right. If that's not a sign to switch to a dry dropper, I don't know what is. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a fish too. It's a nice rainbow. Oh, come on, buddy. In the net. Yeah. Woo! That is a nice fish. He ate the Griffith's gnat. All right, buddy, let me get that out of your mouth for you. That is a chunk. Not the most elegant release. Pretty sure that's the same fish that tried to eat my Oros indicator. So I've been sitting here trying different dry flies to see what it would pick up. This is the only spot I've seen any topwater today.